Crude oil WTI and net gas both have seen a good sharp drop yesterday. In fact, as I said, 2.5 was a very good resistance for net gas, and I have told this in my weekly analysis also. First of all, it is achieved 2.5. I hope you all profited there. Now it is trying to look downwards. Let's see how far it can. At the same time, crude oil WTI, I told you, below 79.8, 79.4, we can see a good drop, and this it has achieved 78.5, the first targets. So now what to expect today? Can we expect further bearishness, or is it going to bounce back from here? If yes, which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The second update for the day will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. You can be part of my free Telegram channel where you get the live updates of the markets. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are there. Now let's have a look at crude oil first, followed with net gas. We will see. So do watch till the end. Now look at hourly charts for oil here. See the drop, slightly bearish move, then retracement, lower lows, and you can see slight retracement, and now again trying to look downwards. Now remember one fact, 78.4 levels you should watch out for. This is a very good support, because see, also remember one fact that there is a gap which needs to be filled till towards 76 levels. So I'll wait for it to break below 78.4 today, where you can expect a further drop. However, look at the indicators. See, the stochastic is extremely oversold on the hourly charts. The MACD here is also extremely bearish. There could be a potential convergence and crossover for a buy entry. RSI is also trying to look downwards and trade slightly bearish. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see it is trading with divergence from the 20-50 100 period moving average. At the same time, see, the more it diverges, the faster the conversion, the more it diverges, there could be a conversion. $80 levels is the level above which only little more bullishness is confirmed for the day. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish here. It is still continuing on the bearish path here. Wait for it to converge, crossover. RSI at bottom. And if you look at 3-hour chart, now look at 3-hour chart, see first of all higher highs there, resistance there at 1880, then these 3 steps there. Now I'll wait for it to break below 78.4 for the next step. Then the target is 78, 77.2 and then 76 levels. These levels we had reiterated, I had told you yesterday, are going to remain the same today also. So below 77.2 it's 76 and 75. 76 certainly is a gap filling exercise which it may try to do. Stochastic at bottom here, the MACD is still divergent and bearish. It is very far below, it is looking down. RSI is also trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at 4-hour. Now see, it is trading with the extreme divergence from the 20 and 50 period moving average, which is right now for the 4-hour charts is situated at around 81. Now see, a buy entry can be taken, but at only $80 levels, above which you can expect 80.8, 81 as a very good resistance. And only if you see it trading above 81, we can say that it is trying to reverse a bit. Till 81, be cautious. Stochastic here, if you see, it is at bottom here. The MACD, see, MACD has seen a very long journey now. There is a potential for it to converge from here. I will wait for a greener candle. RSI is also trading extremely oversold. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, look at the candle size, increasing candle size, increasing bearishness. That is first part. Second part is it is now trading below the 20 period. However, see, the moving average has started to converge 78, 77.2. These are next stronger support levels. Now also if you look at daily chart, see, it has started to fill this gap, and now this gap exists till 75.8. Hence, yes, if you see it trading below 78.4, you can sell. However, remember, on the 4-hour charts and other time frames, it has come to extremely oversold zone, and hence a potential recovery cannot be denied. Now see, the new candle here is about to start. It is not yet started, and that is why potentially you can buy here at 79.2, but then expect $80 levels as the 79.8, $80 levels as the next stronger resistance. And if you see it trading above 80, more bullishness may prevail. So do not trade between 78.4 and 79.2 levels or 79 levels. So rather I will say buy only at 79.2. Stochastic oversold. Look at the MACD crossing over for a sell, and this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. It means there could be a stretch further downside. So even if it tries to retrace till the time it stays below 81, there will be a very strong possibility for it to continue with the downward move. RSI looking down, which means that we will be potentially looking at 76 levels in the near future. Very maybe it can happen soon also, but then we have to be watchful. Right now it is seen extreme drop and hence a little recovery cannot be denied. However, only above 81 little more bullishness is going to prevail. Till that time you have to trade with the trailing stop loss. So buy at 79.2, sell at 78.4, below 78.4, 78, 77.2, 76, and then on the downside sky is the limit. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at nat gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, should be part of my 21st mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas here. This is the daily charts. First, let's have a look at the hourly chart. Now see, in my weekly analysis, I told you 2.5 levels are going to be a very good resistance. Precisely, it has achieved 2.5 and then reverse. If you look at the track at the moment, see drop there, consolidation, and again trying to give you lower highs, lower lows. You can see this near-term bearish channel it is trying to form. 2.3 is the level below which you can see if you are selling at 2.3, 2.28, and then remember there is a gap which needs to be filled till towards 2.22, 2.24 level. So yes, you can sell here at 2.3. However, be alert till 2.2, which is going to be the next strongest support. Possibly achieving those, it can bounce back. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.36 and 2.38. Rather, you can, those who want to take a safe entry should only buy at 2.38 level. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is at bottom trying to recover. If you look at MACD, this is also bearish trying to converge here. RSI is almost trading at bottom on the hourly charts. If you look at 2-hour charts, now look at 2-hour charts, two sharp red candles, consolidation, one red candle. See the body size has diminished here, then this retracement, and now again trying to resume its downward trend. And that is why I say 2.3 levels is a good safe entry where you can stay short. Below 2.3, further bearishness is going to prevail. So 2.3, 2.36, do not take any trade today in net gas. MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is very much at bottom. And if you look at 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, however, if you see the 3-hour charts, first of all, lower highs there, this candle was a breakout. The greener candle was small, and now see the new candle is trying to open above this. Hence, in fact, 2.36 levels above, if you see, wait for 2.38, 2.4 to be breached. If it does, certainly it is to be considered as a reversal, and then we may see a rise there. Stochastic is oversold on the 3-hour charts. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. This is why I told you in yesterday's analysis that this crossover is happening at a higher levels. It can potentially continue. RSI back to comfortable levels. It was overbought earlier. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour chart, two bigger candle, a smaller candle, body size is diminished, lower lows are done. Hence, once it breaks below 2.3, certainly we can see 2.28 and then 2.22 levels. 2.24, 2.22 is a very good support zone, and also this gap will be filled there. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, and it has still lot much downside to cover. It can potentially stretch, but let's be watchful. RSI is also dropped significantly. It was overbought earlier. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, higher highs, lower lows. And if you connect this dot here, you will find that almost the pivot is at around 2.4, 2.42 zone. And hence this is the zone I will look forward to. If it breaks beyond this, then only you can confirm that it is going to fly high. Else wait for the next candle. If next candle, if you see it trading below 2.3 or 2.28, if it breaches this, then certainly this gap is going to be filled till towards 2.24, 2.22 levels. Stochastic is overbought, and that is why it is trying to look downwards. But look at MACD. This crossover has happened at a oversold zone at a bottom there. It is still trading with divergence. It is still bullish, and it is still looking upwards. RSI is looking down here, trying to give moderate bearish indication. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell. Rather, you can sell here at 2.22, but then wait for 2.2 as the first 2.32, but then wait for it to break below 2.3. Below 2.3 only further bearishness is going to be seen, where you can expect 2.28, 2.24 and then 2.22 levels as a very good support. Till 2.2 it is got very good support. Only below 2.2 further bearishness is going to be seen. At the same time, you can buy here at 2.36, where you can expect 2.38, 2.4 and then 2.5 levels as the next target. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram, email, and Instagram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.